This is the youkey Wireless Doorbell Camera, a sleek, dual-lens smart doorbell built for modern homes. With effortless setup, it connects via Wi-Fi and delivers stunning 2K resolution. The bottom 1080p lens keeps packages in view, while full-color night vision and a spotlight ensure clarity, day or night. Smart motion detection alerts you to people and deliveries, and even triggers an alarm if someone approaches your package. With 8 GB of built-in storage, two-way audio, USB-C charging, and a plug-in chime unit, you'll never miss a visitor or a moment.